Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from KKO College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's my topic irrigation efficiencies. First efficiency is efficiency of water conveyance. It is the ratio of water delivered into the fields from the outlet point of the channel to the water pump into the channel at the starting point. The efficiency of water applications. It is the ratio of quantity of water stored in the root zone of the crop to the quantity of water actually delivered into the field. Then efficiency of water storage. It is the ratio of water stored in the root zone during the irrigation to the water needed in the root zone prior to irrigation. Then efficiency of water use. It is the ratio of water beneficially used, including the leaching water, to the quantity of water delivered. And last one is the uniformity coefficient or the water distribution efficiency. The effectiveness of the irrigation may also be measured by its water distribution efficiency, which is defined below, is equal to 1 minus d upon d. Here, eta d is water distribution efficiency, d is mean depth of the water stored during irrigation, and d is the average of the absolute values of deviations from the mean. Now we will see a problem. 10 cubic of water is delivered to a 32 hectare field for 4 hours. Soil probing after the irrigation indicates that 0.3 meter of the water has been stored in the root zone. Now compute the water application efficiency, that is eta A. Solution. Volume of water supplied by 10 cubic of water applied for 4 hours is equal to 144,000 meter cube, that is 14.4 hectare per meter. Hence, input is 14.4 hectare per meter and output 32 hectares land is storing water up to zero point 0.3 meter depth, that is 9.6 hectare meter. Hence, the water application efficiency is equal to output upon input, which is equal to 66.67%. Second problem, the depth of penetration along the length of border strip at joints at points 30 meter apart were measured and their values are 2, 1.9, 1.8, 1.6 and 1.5 meters. Now compute the distribution efficiency. Hence solution, mean depth d is equal to summation of all these values divided by the number of values, that is 1.76 meter. Now the value of deviation from the mean are 2 minus 1.76, 1.9 minus 1.76, 1.8 minus 1.76, 1.6 minus 1.76 and 1.5 minus 1.76. Hence, the values of deviations are 0.24, 0.14, 0.04, minus 0.16 and minus 0.26. The absolute values of these deviations from the mean are 0.24, 0.14, 0.04, 0.16 and 0.26. Now the average of these absolute values of the deviations from the mean is d equal to 0.168 meter. Hence the water distribution efficiency eta d is equal to 1 minus d upon d, which is equal to 90.5%. And last problem, a stream of 130 liter per second was diverted from a canal and 100 lps were delivered to the field. An area of 1.6 hectare was irrigated in 8 hours. The effective depth of root zone was 1.7 meter. The runoff loss in the field was 420 meter cube. The depth of water penetration varied linearly from 1.7 meter at the head end of the field to 1.1 meter at the tail end. The available moisture holding capacity of the soil is 20 centimeter per meter depth of the soil. It is required to determine the water conveyance efficiency, water application efficiency, water storage efficiency, and water distribution efficiency. The irrigation was started at the moisture extraction level of 50% of the available moisture. Hence solution, first water conveyance efficiency, that is eta C, which is equal to water delivered to the fields upon water supplied into the canal at the head into 100, which is equal to 77%. Now the water application efficiency, that is eta A, its formula is water stored in the root zone during the irrigation upon water delivered into the field into 100. Now the water supplied to the field during 8 hours at discharge of 100 liter per second, which is equal to 2880 meter cube. of the otter, and the runoff loss in the field is given for 20 meter cube. Hence the otter stored in the root zone is equal to 2880 minus 420 meter cube, which is equal to 2460 meter cube. Hence otter application efficiency eta a is equal to 2460 upon 2880 into 100. Hence the otter application efficiency is equal to 85.4%. The third one is water storage efficiency. Its formula is water stored in the root zone during irrigation upon water needed in the root zone prior to irrigation into 100. Now the moisture holding capacity of the soil is 20 centimeter per meter length into 1.7 meter height of the root zone, which is equal to 34 centimeter. The moisture already available in the root zone at the time of start of irrigation is 50% of the moisture holding capacity of the soil, that is 17 centimeter. Now additional water required in the root zone is equal to 70 centimeter. Hence the amount of water required in the root zone is equal to depth into plot area, which is equal to 2720 meter cube, but the actual water stored in the root zone is 2460 meter cube. Hence the water storage efficiency, that is eta s, equal to 90%. And last one is the auto distribution efficiency, that is eta d, and its formula is 1 minus d upon capital D. Now the mean depth of the auto stored in the root zone is equal to 1.4 meter, and the average of absolute values of the deviations from the mean, that is d, equal to zero point 0.3 meter. Hence auto distribution efficiency is equal to 78.6%. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel Agroneers. Thank you.